Okay, so the last thing I wanted to look at was how we could add animation inside of components to create reusable elements. And you can see here I've got a star that I've reused over and over and over again. So I've made that as a library item over here in my libraries, and I can bring it out and use it over and over. And in this instance, I've just put a bunch of them on that's coffee machine starting, a bunch of them on the in the project, and mask them just for the hell of it. Let's have a look at how we might do that, implement that. So I've got one star here, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn that into a component right at the start. So it's going to be, I'll just bring it out here so we can see its name. It's going to be Simon's star. Oops, what have I done there? Here we go, Simon's star. Let's zoom in a bit. Something like that. And back in the layers palette, we'll see there's our star there, and the star is what I want to animate inside that component. We'll just do a very simple rotation animation like the example, creating a keyframe on rotation. I'll take it forward 1 second. Something like that. And I'm going to rotate this minus 360 degrees to create a full revolution. I'm going to make my animation just 1 second so that it matches, so that it should just continually keep looping. Alright, now that has some ease on it, some easy ease, so it sort of has that kind of pause. If I wanted that to continually rotate, I'll go to linear. So now it will just keep rotating forever. Okay, so I've made an item that will stay in the our assets panel. Not sure why it's not showing up there, but I'm going to select my frame, and I'm going to insert an instance of that into the frame, and I'll just check that it's actually didn't put it inside that frame. So I'm going to cut it, and then I'm going to paste it inside the frame just to make sure it's in there. And then I should be able to use that as an element in that animation, so a reusable element. So I can always come back and grab another one and add it into that space as well, or another, wherever the other one's gone to. Like so.